Understanding Hearts in It, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, hearts in it. This idiom is commonly used in everyday English and holds a special meaning that goes beyond the literal words. So, let's dive in and discover what it means when someone says their heart is in something. The phrase, hearts in it, is an idiom that means being fully committed, enthusiastic, or passionate about something. When someone says their heart is in it, they imply that they are not just involved physically or mentally, but emotionally as well. It's about putting your whole self, particularly your feelings and passion, into an activity or cause. While the exact origin of hearts in it is not clear, it's believed to come from the idea that the heart, traditionally seen as the center of emotions, plays a crucial role in our passion and enthusiasm. This idiom emphasizes the emotional investment one has in an endeavor, more than just the practical or logical involvement. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. She really has her heart in teaching. It's not just a job for her. This implies that teaching is a passion for her, not just a profession. 2. You can tell his heart's in it when he talks about his research. This shows that the person is deeply passionate and committed to their research. When you want to express that you or someone else is deeply committed to something, you can use this phrase. For example, I've decided to volunteer for the animal shelter. My heart's really in it. If your heart's not in it, maybe it's not the right path for you. That's all for today's lesson on the idiom, hearts in it. Remember, when your heart is in something, it's more than just participation. It's about being passionately invested in it. We hope this video has been informative and has added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.